I recently audited 5 different Google Ads accounts, and almost all of them had the same hidden problems. Hey, I'm Jasmin, and after reviewing multiple accounts, I noticed some patterns, especially things that most people don't even realize are hurting performance. So, in this video, I break down the 3 most common problems I found across these accounts. The first issue I saw in almost every account was the account level automated assets enabled by default. So things like automated site links, automated callouts, and automated structured snippets. That sounds very helpful, but in many cases, these assets were just irrelevant, duplicated, or just very low quality. And that can hurt your ad clarity and your ad performance. So the problem with these assets is that you lose control over your messaging. And in Google Ads, control means performance. So how to fix that? Go into your account settings under campaigns, and then you click under assets, and then you have to click here under more, and then account level automated assets. And then you have to click again under more, so you can really see Google makes it a little bit different. They don't want you to find these things. Advanced settings, and here you can see that everything is switched on. So you have to manually switch off everything. Yes, click save, just click other reason, and yeah, just say not A. Yeah, you can really see, it's a little bit hard. I cannot even click confirm. Let's say site links didn't fit my brand, and then you can confirm. So you have to do that step by step for each asset. Say other reason and save. So in the end, it looks like that. I recommend switching everything off that don't match your offer and keep only the ones that actually improve your ads. So I would recommend leaving the seller ratings on. That can improve your performance, providing that you have good ratings. Problem number 2, you leave the auto-applied recommendations turned on. So the big issue is when you leave the auto-applied recommendations enabled, because that means that Google is automatically making changes like adding new keywords, switching match types, increasing the budget, or changing the bidding strategy. So without you actually approving them. So in many accounts, this can lead to a broader targeting, less control, and often higher costs. So the problem is that Google is optimizing for more activity, for Google, but not always for better results for you. So how to fix that? You have to go to recommendations. We are here under campaigns, recommendations, and then you can see here the auto apply settings. You click that, and now you can see here the recommendation types. You open that here, and now you can turn off anything that expands the targeting too aggressively, adds broad match keywords, or changes your strategy without control. So we can scroll down, and here normally these things would be like tickled. You can just enable them. One thing which is not that bad is maybe that one, because that cannot really harm you, but all of the other things I would basically turn off. Problem number 3, no real search term control. So I always see as well that there is no active management of search terms. Even in accounts that spend money every day, I saw that there are no negative keywords added, irrelevant searches triggering the ads, and no regular cleanup. So that only leads to one thing: wasted budget on the wrong traffic. So for example, a business targeting a service was showing for jobs, for free services, or for unrelated searches, and even paying for these clicks. So how to fix it? You should make it a habit, check the search terms regularly, add negative keywords, and refine the targeting over time. So that's one of the highest impact optimizations you can do. So here we are under campaigns, inside and reports, and then we click on the search terms. So here you can actually see the search terms from your campaign. Like the things the people are actively typing into Google search. So here we can define the date. So I recently had an audit, and the client basically had no negative keywords, which can be very tricky and leading to wasted budget. So you can see, for example, here, there is just in the last months, there's basically more than like almost 1,200 search terms in it. So when you don't look in the search term report, it can go very bad. So here you can see, this is for a taxi company in Melbourne, and this is one of our competitors actually. So if I wouldn't check that report regularly, it happens that we are actually paying for clicks when people are looking for our competitors. So you really have to clean your search term report and set negative keywords. To do that, you would just select a keyword, and then you can simply add as negative keywords. And there are some other keywords which should be done negative, like always, for example, free or download, things like that. If you're interested in that, you can check out my other video where I explained about negative keywords. It's linked over here. And all these problems have one thing in common: loss of control. So the automated assets, they lead to less message control. The auto recommendations, they lead to less strategy control. And no search term cleanup means less traffic control. And when you lose control, you basically lose performance. I have one simple rule for you. So the best Google Ads accounts are actively managed and not automated blindly. So if you fix these 3 things, you can already reduce your wasted spend and improve your performance. If you want to learn how to avoid these common Google Ads mistakes and improve your campaign performance, feel free to subscribe my channel for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.